We could check out the start screen. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to go ahead and check out this Arcade1Up NBA Jam Countercade. Now, it's been quite a while since I've reviewed one of these countercades, so I'm pretty excited to open it up, check it out, and see the new features. So let's get into it. All right, now that we have the NBA Jam Countercade out of the box, let's go ahead and check out some of the features. All right, now we have just a regular stick, nothing special, same as usual, nothing to write home about. Buttons, just the same. We have the on and on switch here, volume, and the screen here, the screen size is something that I really don't like. They made the screen size a lot smaller. This is about the size of a smartphone, and there is no light up marquee. This is just plain up here. Nothing lights up, nothing fancy. We do have the Arcade1Up logo right there, and the logo is also up here on the top. The side art, just the usual. And right here, this is where you plug it in. Now, I don't like the new way that you have to plug these things in. I'm not too thrilled about that. So another change that Arcade1Up has made is you can now put batteries in these things. So what we're looking at is we're looking at a smaller countercade, no light up marquee. The screen size sucks, but you can put batteries in it. And let me go ahead and put this up for comparison. You can see the size of the screen on this countercade. And as you can see, yeah, it's the same size, pretty much. Actually, I think the smartphone is a little bit bigger. All right, so let's go ahead and take a quick look inside of this thing. I'd like to see if anything has changed. All right, I got the screws out, so let's go ahead and take a peek. All right, let's go ahead and fire it up. We can check out the start screen. Now the start screen, it is the same. Nothing's changed. One thing that is different about these countercades is they do now have these screw hole covers right here on the front deck and right on the side. So they do have the colors to go ahead and cover that up. So that's kind of cool. All right, so here is the fun part. Let's play a game.
Showtime! Suns! Tonight's matchup, Suns versus Magic. Here's the tip. Right away. Oh, mistake. Perfect. Right away. He's heating up. Excuse me, Harley. Perfect. Anderson. Right away.
So wrapping this up, I really wanted to like the Arcade1Up NBA Jam Countercade. The NBA Jam is legendary, and Arcade1Up has done okay in the past with their countercades, especially when they used to include those light up marquees, but this one, it just misses the mark. Honestly, it misses the whole damn target. The cabinet is noticeably smaller than previous countercades. The screen feels a little cramped up. There's no light up marquee, and overall, it just feels stripped down at 150 bucks. I expect a lot more bells and whistles for 150. I know what Arcade1Up is capable of, and they kind of fell short on this one. Anyone who's been subscribed to my channel since my game days, they know I love countercades, and I've reviewed just about all of them. And this one, it just doesn't cut it. With the switch to a battery power, it honestly feels like a cheap plastic toy other than a premium mini arcade. The gameplay is still NBA Jam, and yeah, that's a lot of fun, but nostalgia alone isn't enough to justify the size and the compromises. If you find this one on deep discount or on clearance, or maybe you're extremely limited on space, maybe it makes sense, but at full price, I'd skip it and put that money towards a bigger, better arcade cabinet, or even an older countercade that gives you more for your cash. Honestly, the two-player countercades are still the best they ever produced, and those were just only a little bit extra money. So we're going to go ahead and wrap this up right here, but I really want to know what you all think about the NBA Jam Countercade. Is this on your pickup list, or is it a hard pass? I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.